Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to present our research about project-based media using college-based techniques on students' creativity in arts, culture, and craft. Learning in grade 4 of elementary school. Anglianto, Diana Junaida, and Novi Hidayati. Okay, the first about introduction. Creative thinking about shows that creative thinking ability is the ability of students to find problem-solving strategies with various and different answers through logical process and previously acquired knowledge. So that unique and detailed problem-solving is obtained based on their understanding, based on the result of pre-cycle learning of the art and culture subject for class 4 of Tanjung Ria State Elementary School with the activity of making a project, namely making a college by sticking pictures using basic materials of colored paper piece that the majority of students' creativity levels are low. Cultivating students' creativity can be done by providing stimulation to students. Stimuli are distributed to state children are interested in doing college activities by providing support at the beginning of learning, the learning process until the end of learning. Previous research has been conducted said that the use of college media is done by providing college materials. Students were more enthusiastic and were able to make a college according to their wishes. Based on the result of previous research, the researcher intends to apply project media using the college-facing techniques in the fourth grade of Tanjung Ria State Elementary School to be able to increase students' creativity. Now about the methods. Okay, methods used in this research is classroom action research. The states including planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. The participant in this research a total of fourth grade students of Tanjung Ria State Elementary School, consisting of 6 males and 8 females, were respond in this type. The selection of respondents was carried out randomly by the researcher. Instrument observation seats was used to measure type of activity to making a college. Data analysis. Analysis of observation seats to determine the increase in children's creativity using percentage analysis. But the result will be presented by my friends Navida. The time is yours.
The first result, research, there are two cycles. The first cycle one, you can see the observation result in this table gitu ya. There are four criteria of the percentage. The research implementation stage, there are three activities. The first is initial activities, and second is initial activity. Materials in print books, students independently create the concept maps related to the image they have created. The student begin to express their ideas in the form of an image. Student add other image according to each child creativity. And you can see the the table observation result, zero children get 0% until 39%, and 11 children get 78% starting to develop. Then 3 children get 21% and categories development as expected. And then 0 children get 0% to category developing very well. Then the stage is using a variety of image media to arouse student interest in developing their creativity, so that their learning outcome improve. In addition, the involvement of all students in each college creation must be considered by the teacher. Then the next result, because there are many things to do, so researcher use or get to cycle to observe the creativity of children. You can see the table, the result of the creativity observation gitu. And 0 children get 0% to category undeveloped, and 0 children to get 0% to starting to develop category, and 5 children get 36% to category of developed as expected. Then 9 children get 64% get developing very well categories. So we can see there are increasing of the creativity before cycle 1. Then the same implementation stage. The first is namely initial activity, and the third is implementation activity. Then the third is closing activities. The initial activities in cycle 2 begins with the teacher providing overview the material by drawing on the board. Then student listen to the material given by the teacher. Then the teacher sticks various example of the college on the board, and students begin to express their idea by cutting origami paper into small pieces. Then sticking the pieces or origami paper into the picture that has been made. Then the reflection stage of the second cycle, the research reflects and draws conclusion that the learning improvement action carried out by researchers have been successful. Then we can see this in this second cycle, media is successful, so researchers didn't get a third cycle. Then the conclusion of the research is the use of the project method with college technique can improve the learning outcomes and creativity for grade students at Tanjung Ria State Elementary School in the subject of art and the culture. It's proven from the data that the creativity result have been increased from the pre-cycle presented result of 39%, the cycle 1% result researching 58.5%, and the cycle second cycle percentage result the research 80%. So many increasing every cycle. The project method using college technique can be used as learning medium to develop student talents and interests, both at school or outside school. The weakness uniqueness of this research is that the school environment is not utilized to find basic material for the college art, such as dry leaves, dry tree trunks, and the seeds. However, it only uses origami paper and the basic material. So this is the conclusion of the research, and I uh, to Mr. Aan.
Well, thank you, Miss Novi Hidayati. Okay, everyone, that's all of our presentation about project-based media using college. Thanks for your attention. See you on the conference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.